Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Music to Waze in 2026. Do you use Apple Music while navigation with Waze? You can connect your music services to Waze and access compatible controls without constantly switching between apps. Now, in order to have or connect Apple Music to Waze, you will have to have an iPhone. For this tutorial, I only have an Android, but it's pretty similar to using Spotify with Waze or YouTube Music with Waze. So let's get started. But before we start, the Waze app is also available in the App Store, so you can download it on your iPhone, and it makes driving much easier. Now let's go back to our topic. The first thing you want to do to connect Apple Music to Waze is make sure the Apple Music app is installed on your iPhone and that you're signed in. Now, after that, you're going to open the Waze app and go to the navigation screen. As you can see, this is the navigation screen. So you're going to click on the music icon. We're going to look for the music icon or audio icon, and I'm going to click on it. It's on the top right corner. Then you're going to tap the icon to open the Waze audio player. As you can see, I'm using an Android phone, so I'm only allowed to use Spotify or YouTube Music. Now, if you're using an iPhone, the option for Apple Music will be displayed here. You're going to select it from it. Then you're going to tap the audio icon to open Waze audio player. And you'll see the audio apps that are available on your device. Then you're going to select Apple Music. And if Waze asks for permissions to connect with the app, follow the instructions on the screen. And after connection, you can also use the available Apple Music controls directly from Waze, and depending on your device and Waze version, you may be able to play or pause music and move between tracks. And your navigation remains visible while your music is playing. Now, if Apple Music isn't listed, check that it's installed or updated, and also make sure you're signed in and try restarting Waze. And that's it. That's how you connect Apple Music with the Waze app in 2026. You can now enjoy your music while keeping your navigation in view. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.